In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get D-Rex in Jurassic Genesis. This is a working Roblox Jurassic Genesis code that's not only going to get you the D-Rex, it's going to get you all dinosaurs for free. And guys, this is super simple, so make sure you follow all of the instructions. It's going to take you a few minutes, but this is a simple code that you can redeem in Jurassic Genesis, and this is going to get you the D-Rex. Before I start the tutorial, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, because I do plan on making many more Jurassic Genesis tutorials. So let's get into it. As you can see here, guys, I'm using my mobile phone. So have your mobile phone with an internet connection. It doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or Android. You need to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it exactly like this, guys, and it's going to bring you to this website. And on this page, they have loads of different pages. They have hundreds and hundreds of codes on here for loads of different games. So go to the search bar, search for Jurassic Genesis. This is the codes page you need to find here, Jurassic Genesis Roblox. They only have a couple of codes, but both of these codes are absolutely awesome. As you can see, these are really popular codes. Hundreds and thousands of people are using these. Scroll down, you can get 1 million free credits and you can unlock all the dinosaurs. So this is a Jurassic Genesis code, get all dinosaurs, and that includes the D-Rex. Like I said, guys, this entire method only takes a few minutes. It is by far the easiest method on how to get D-Rex, because I spent a long time trying things, and this is a simple code guaranteed to work. So as you can see, guys, these are limited codes here, and they're pretty desirable considering what they give you. So you do need to unlock your personal Jurassic Genesis code to get all dinosaurs. So to unlock your code, you click on this button here, follow the instructions on this screen. Basically, you need to complete 2 of the tasks listed on this page. These tasks are all completely free, and they sponsor Cold Coupons and allow them to supply such awesome codes. So just complete 2 of these, making sure you read the description and follow the instructions that it tells you. And once you do that, guys, it will release your code. So your Jurassic Genesis code to get all dinosaurs will be revealed in this box, and you can redeem it. And that is how to get D-Rex in Jurassic Genesis. It's also going to give you other ones, such as the Indominus Rex and more, guys. So head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or drop me a PM. Always happy to help my subscribers out. Make sure you do subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Enjoy your D-Rex.